Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. 2 more days of Poshmark sales. Look at all the stuff I got just in 2 days. Let's find out how much I'm going to earn. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so let's just get right into it. This is what I sold the last 2 days on Poshmark. This is a pair of comfy Levi's jeans, size 10, cuffed capris, for fun wear is how I titled it. They sold for $5. I earned $2.05. They were a Goodwill outlet buy, so $2.05 minus 50 cents is what I paid for it. So I have got $1.55. Gotta wake my brain up. All right, so I'm going to write down what I earned. It has nothing to do with shipping. A lot of you have been asking, well, there's not enough room in it because what about shipping? Poshmark handles all of the shipping and sends you a prepaid label, so you never see the money from the customer for shipping, nor are you charged the money for the shipping. So this is all just total revenue and profit. So I'll take off what my cost of purchase was for the item, and then I'll write down only the number that goes straight into my pocket afterwards. All right, so that gives you an idea of what we're looking at number-wise. Okay, then I sold this really pretty cross, Bethlehem wood cross, mother of pearl. I've got a bunch of these still listed on my Poshmark store. Check them out. There's a bunch of different kinds. I've got a few that aren't listed too, so if you're looking for a different style, let me know. But those are amazing, and they're actually genuine mother of pearl olive wood. So I sold that, earned $2.05, so $1. I actually paid 65 cents for that, and so let me see, 50 cents would be 55. So 65 cents. I made $1.40 on that one. $2.05 minus the 65 cents. My next item is one of these hot shapers. It's basically like a put it on, sweat to death, get all skinny kind of thing. And so I sold that one. I've had a ton of those for a while. I actually earned, I think I paid about 50 cents for those. My total earnings after my bundle was 25 cents. So I made negative 0.25, but it's one less thing in my Poshmark store, and it was a listing with multiple things, so I know the other few that are still on there, I'm going to sell for a profit. So it all kind of evens out in the end. Then I've got this really gorgeous scarf. It's a women's striped square scarf. I made $4.05 on that one. That came out of a bulk box. I paid about 50 cents for that one, so I'm going to put $3.55 for my earnings after I do the math in my head. Then I've got a pair of shoes here, universal thread, asymmetrical slide sandals. These, if you didn't know, I think these were a Target brand, very popular. I made $9.25, $2 is what I paid for them, so $7.25 is my earnings on that. I'm writing everything on the board because I'm going to add it all up at the end, and I want you to kind of live see everything and know that my numbers are true. This is a Hampton Women's Sherpin lined military style parka, size extra large. It's a 10. It's got a big fuzzy hood on it. That was $4 from a bulk box. My earnings were $28, so $24 is what I earned on that. And then I've got, let me see, a swimsuit top. It's February, and I'm selling swimsuits. Yes, yes, because this is the only place you can find swimsuit is online, because stores don't have it. So this was a 50-cent Goodwill outlet buy. $7.05 is what I earned, so $6.55 are my in-pocket profits. Then my next thing is I've got a Maurice's gray sweater cardigan. I earned $1.05. This was a Goodwill outlet find, so $1.05 minus 50 cents. I'm at $1.05 minus 50 cents. 55 cents. And then I've got some dress pants here. These actually, I believe, came from my mother-in-law, and I earned $1.05 on these, so it's total profit. $1.05 that I will be able to give to my mother-in-law for selling those. All right. Then I have these women's silver Junebug mules is what they're called. It's a slip-on sandal. I sold the, I paid $2 for those. I earned $7.05 after what they paid, so I'm at $5.05 is my total in-pocket profit. Let me see. I have got a bundle. A bundle is something that people do on Poshmark all the time, and I usually make the most money out of my bundles. So I've got this. This is a Goodwill outlet buy, 50 cents. And then I've got 3 scarves that sold. This one, and this one. And they all came out of a bulk box. And so this one's really pretty. I'm just going to hold it up so you can see what it looks like. So that's basically $2 is what those are. This is a cute tropical one. So $2 in total for those. So I think I have 2 here. I pulled out 2 instead of 1. All right, we'll set that aside. That one's still for sale. So if you want that one that I held up, I still got another one for sale. So I've got the pink one, the white one, the blue one, and then the pink shirt. $2 is what went into it. I earned $17.60, so $15.60 on that bundle is what I made. And then let's see. Then I've got this really nice purse. I bought it wholesale. My earnings were $18.20 and I spent about $16.50. So I made, let me see, 16. So I made about $18.20, $17.20, $1.70. So that one was, initially I bought from a wholesaler and I got really excited at the ASD Market Week and I was like, oh, those are awesome, I can sell those. And they were going online on Amazon for a good price. But since I didn't create a listing on Amazon and I sold them on Poshmark, I definitely kind of just made up my money basically. All right. Here's a pair of these again, different size. These are size 8 of the asymmetrical slide sandals. I made $12 on those and I paid $2 for them, so $10. And so I wanted to show you something here. So these I made $10 for the size 8s, and then I'm going to go back and look at what did I make on these. And these, my earnings were $9.25, so $7.25. Exact same shoe, same listing. All I did was add different variations and sizes. And so I made $7.25 on those, but I made $10 on these. So, you know, because, you know, I may have offered a deal or a bundle or something like that. And so I'm really glad I made more money on those. So men's slim fit cotton twill joggers. These are gray. They're a size medium. These came out of a bulk box. I spent about $1 on those, $9.05. $8.05 is my earnings. Then we have some Muck Luck shoes. These are really nice men's size 9 Muck Luck shoes. Never been worn. Those I got out of a bulk box, paid $4 for them. My earnings were $16, so $12 is what's in my pocket from those. Then the next pair of shoes here are a pair of X-ray blue loafers. And they're size 8, and they were $4 as well. Anything that's usually a box shoe, I spent $4 for. My earnings were $9.05, so $5.05 is what I earned on these. And I've been hearing from some of you viewers that you've been selling on Poshmark just because of the numbers I've been putting out, and I'm glad that you're making money. So I'm very encouraged that you guys are making sales, and let me know. Comment down below if you've ever made a sale on Poshmark. I'd love to know what it was and how much you made on it. That'd be awesome. So then I have these high-tech men's Ridge mid boots, size 8. These were $4 from a bulk box, $9.25. So $5.25. $9.25 is what I earned, $5.25. $14 is actually what they paid for it. And then they also paid for shipping. I have no idea what that is because, like I said, Poshmark handles all the shipping. So $9.25 is what I earned after the fees, $5.25 after I pay my $4 back. Here is a pair of cute Bandolino jean capris. These are really, really cute. That was a Goodwill outlet buy, and those of you who don't know what a Goodwill outlet is, a Goodwill outlet is basically where all the things from the Goodwill go to die, is what I say, but they end up in big bins, and you can dig through stuff and find really nice name brand stuff. We found brand new stuff still in packages with tags on them and all that. Just not sold at that local Goodwill. So $2.05 is what I earned. Take the 50 cents off. We're at $1.55 for just those pair of jeans. Not too shabby because they wouldn't have gone anywhere. All right, and then I have a bundle again. So I've got this yellow shirt, a nice belt, I've got this really cute pair. I wish these were my size because I think they're really cute. Peep-toed clogs. And then one more pair of shoes. So she must have been buying for her whole family because she's got a men's belt, a woman's shirt, women's pairs of shoes, and a pair of men's shoes. These are really nice. Harrison Miles kind of combat boot zipper style of shoes. So with all of those added together, my earnings, let me see. So I've got 2 boxes of shoes, so that's $8. And then both of these were Goodwill outlet buys, so that's an additional $1, so that's $9. I earned $31 on just those 4 items alone. So can you get garage sale prices like that? I'm pretty sure you can't. So this is way better than a garage sale. Okay, 2 more things. Nope, 3 more things. I have this really cute ring that we actually bought at the ASD Market Week in Las Vegas in their cash and carry section. We paid $1 for the ring. I earned $3.05, so $2.05 are my earnings on that ring. And a lot of you asked, do I have things posted on different platforms? And yes, I do. That ring was actually posted on eBay, so as soon as it sold on Posh, I just delisted it on eBay. And so it's good to do that just for exposure, but just be very, very careful to make sure that you unlist it if you sell it, because you definitely don't want to end up not having to send a message to the customer saying you don't have the item. So I don't do that to too many items just simply because I'm afraid I'll forget to delist it. All right, this is a Floral Catalina Tankini halter top. This was a Goodwill outlet buy for 50 cents. $1.05 is what I earned. And so 55 cents is what I get for profit. And then last but not least is an 44D Ella Flower Bow enhanced bra. This was a Goodwill outlet find too, 50 cents. 10.20 is what I earned on that one. And so $9.70. And so I'm going to go ahead and add up all these numbers. As you can see, there's not as many numbers on the board, and I've been making around, I don't know, the last few videos I've done about $150 or more for 2 days worth of sales. So let's see what this ends up being, and I'll get right back to you. All right, so I've added everything up. It was a total of 22 separate sales, not 22 items, but 22 separate sales, because 2 of these were bundles of 4. So actually it was 28 items, but 22 sales for a total of $153.20. $153.20 divided by 22 sales, or 28 items. I'm going to do that for the math for you. $5.47 an item. So $5.47 an item is definitely higher than what you could get at any garage sale. Plus, you don't have to sit outside in bad weather. So hopefully this has been helpful to learn what I sold for 2 days worth on Poshmark. And you can see the variety of items. And you keep on selling. Remember to comment down below and tell me what you sold on Poshmark.
That's a great hat.
Oh, yes. Also, my husband reminded me, this hat is actually for sale on my Hooked on Pickin store. And so I wanted to let you know that it's available. You know, summertime's coming up. It's going to be a great time to buy it. So I love my blinged out hats, and I love to wear them in the videos. So hopefully this has been helpful. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.